So, you want to build a gaming PC. Normally I would say this is a bad idea, but as you can see, I put together a list for you guys with almost all new parts. Here we have the Ryzen 5500 for $83. We have 16 gigs of DDR4 for $130. We have a terabyte of storage for $150. We got a basic case, and we got a basic power supply. Now you may be wondering, where's the GPU? Now, of course, for something like this, I would recommend going the used market. So that's why I have the 2060 Super. Now, you have the 2060 Super, and this will come to around $180. And as you can see, it is pretty fairly priced on the used market. This will allow you to play every single game.